everyone, today we are going to look at Barbie Extra Doll number 2. She is a curvy doll. She has long, light purple and light pink glitter hair. She has brown eyes with pink and purple eyeshadow. She comes with clear blue earrings. She has a light green hat. She also comes with 3 white necklaces and a silver necklace. She comes with a light blue puff sleeve top with clouds on it, a shimmery ruffled dress, a purple scrunchy bracelet, a pearl bracelet, a green diamond handbag that opens and closes, and silver sunglasses. The top and the dress are 2 separate pieces and velcros in the back. She comes with white tights and white high top sneakers. She has flat feet. She has movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow and the wrist, the hip and the knee, a white sheepdog with a black collar that says boss. Some of my favorite things about this doll: her pink and purple hair, her top, her earrings, and her dog.